Ever wondered why you just can't focus anymore? You sit down to work, and somehow, within 5 minutes, you're on your phone, checking notifications, opening 10 random tabs, doing everything except the one thing you actually need to do. Relax. You're not broken. You're just dopamine depleted. Yeah, your brain's reward system is basically running on low battery. The truth is, it's not about being lazy. It's about how your mind's been wired. Every time you scroll endlessly or binge another show, your brain's like, "Oh, we're doing this now. Great, more cheap dopamine, please." But here's the fix. You've got to rebuild your reward system, and it starts with understanding why you do what you do. When I used to play video games for 7 hours a day, I thought I just loved games. Turns out, I was just bored. My real life felt dull, so I created a fake one with power-ups and respawns. Once I started living a life I didn't want to escape from, meeting new people, hitting the gym, doing real stuff that actually mattered, my addiction just faded away. Same with scrolling. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to escaping your own thoughts. The moment you start building wins, even tiny ones, like making your bed, drinking water, or reading just one page, you're telling your brain, "Hey, we're becoming someone better." And that's how you rewire your dopamine system. Not by forcing discipline, but by falling in love with it. So, here's the challenge. Stay till the end of this video without touching your phone. If you can do that, congratulations, your dopamine system still works. And hey, if you want more real talks like this one, you know what to do. Hit that follow, and let's fix that focus together.